Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can change the date and time of a photo on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So the first step is to open the Gallery app. And then from here you want to select your photo or video. So once you've selected your image, you want to tap on the three dots in the top right corner and you want to select Details. Under Details, you should see the current date and time on the image as well as what type of image it is. So you want to tap on Edit, then you want to select your current date and time. Then from here, you can now start editing. So we're starting with a date, so you can choose to move the date forward or back, including the month as well as the year. And so once you've changed that, then you can also change the time. So tap on the tab labeled Time. Then we can now move forward or back according to our preferences. Then once you've selected your date and time, you want to tap on Done and then Save to apply the changes. So previously it was reading the 20th of August 2024, but now it's reading Thursday 10th October 2024 at 3:46 a.m. instead of my 10 something a.m. So that's how you can change the date and time for a photo or a video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.